View of related literature. So let's start. Ang title natin is Corporate Brand Image, Customer Satisfaction, and Loyalty to Selected Coffee Shops in Makati City by Forbes 2018. Mga pag-aaral sa iba't ibang mga lugar na pwede mong gamitin as basis of your study. Kaya nga, review of related literature. Nandiyan din yung mga pagkuha ng credible sources, primary sources, secondary sources, and tertiary sources. Kung anong format, like APA format ba yan, Chicago, MLA format. Let's start. Review of related literature. This chapter presents the literature and studies which are significant to end the study. A synthesis of review of literature and gaps bridged by the present study was also included in this chapter. So meron tayong sa RRL natin, nandoon ang state of the art subtopics na nakuha ng researcher na related doon sa study niya. So may mga nakita yung researcher natin, gaya nito. Basic beliefs about brand image. Yan na yung si Nazir Ali and Jamil 2016 lang natin. Successful brand image as perceived, shown as conceptualized by the customer. Okay, tuloy natin. Iniisa-isa niya yung mga variables. So nandiyan lahat ng mga sources. Ito is pinaraphrase na natin. Hindi pwedeng yung copy-paste lang and then lagay dito. So we need to paraphrase it para wag naman tayo ma-plagiarize. And ayan, isang variable natin is loyalty. Ayan, customers buying behavior. Yung summary ng RRL natin is pinagsama-sama niya yung mga proponents o yung mga tao at year ng pinagkuhanan niya ng mga RRL. Kaya ganito yung mapapansin nyo. Madaling salita, from gaps bridge, ibig sabihin, ano yung pupunuan? Idaragdag ng ating pag-aaral. So, ayan po yung parte ng ating chapter 2.